Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Power Automate to send project notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Microsoft Power Automate for sending project notifications, first, navigate to the Power Automate portal. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, click on Create in the left side menu to begin a new flow. Select Automated Cloud Flow to create an automated process based on specific triggers. In the dialog that appears, give your flow a name that clearly indicates its purpose. Next, choose the trigger that will initiate the flow. For project notifications, consider using triggers like when a new item is created in SharePoint or when an email arrives in Outlook. After selecting your trigger, click on the Create button to proceed. You will now be taken to the Flow Designer interface. Here, you can configure the details of your selected trigger to tailor it to your project's needs. If you've selected when a new item is created, specify the SharePoint site and list that you want to monitor. Once your trigger is configured, click on the New Step button to add an action to your flow. In the Action menu, search for Send an Email if you want to notify team members via email. Select Send an Email, V2, from the list of actions. In the email action configuration, fill in the required fields such as to, subject, and body. You can use dynamic content from the. Once you've set up the email notification, click on New Step again to add any additional actions if needed. For example, you could add actions to post notifications in Microsoft Teams or update a status in Planner. After all actions are set, click on Save in the upper right corner to save your flow. To test your flow, go back to your trigger source and create a new item or perform the action that starts the flow. Check the My Flows section in Power Automate to view the run history and ensure everything is functioning as intended. If necessary, tweak the flow configuration based on any errors or desired changes. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Microsoft Power Automate to send project notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.